Hello and welcome to this new video on how to check Agoda booking with account. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos, and let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. Just click on it and you just have to type Agoda and press enter in the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search results. Just click on it and the Agoda official website will be shown to you. And when you have logged in and sign up successfully, this is the interface that is shown to you. And when you're inside this interface, just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be a circular icon. Just click on that icon and a pop-up box will appear. Now you just have to look inside my account section. There will be bookings. Now just click on the bookings and booking section will appear right in front of you. And this is a section where you will be able to check about your Agoda bookings that you have done previously. You can also see the completed bookings and the cancelled bookings. So this is how you can easily check Agoda booking with account. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.